By the way, I don't know if I've mentioned this lately, but y'all need to have your health and dismemberment insurance paid up if you're going to watch my channel, because you never know what might happen to you. Just saying. Sometimes bad things can happen to good people, even if they do watch my channel. It's kind of scary. But, you know. Oh, just look at that. Oh, just look at that. Yep. And that's how that's going to go right there. And then I'm going to want to do some trimming. I think I'll put a couple screws in there. I might need to go get me a screwdriver. I need me a screwdriver. Oh, I'll hold my spot there. I'll be right back. Oh, the joy. I believe I got one screw in my pocket. Right here. Right here. It is right there. I might have a longer screw for that particular spot right there. I got some. Yeah, that went right through. I need something bigger. Better. Alright. Probably should have gotten some more of these too. We'll get by what we got here for a little bit. Whole body getting stiffed up on me. Starting to feel like cutworm looks. That's rough. It's pretty rough. I'll tell him I said that. He'll like that. He'll get a kick out of that. Ooh, we will. He'll get a kick out of that.